Today we are talking about the topic that one stock is giving for the in 1 year for the 840% return is giving for the that stock we are seeing in this video. That stock is the Sindhu Trade Links. Sindhu Trade Links is that stock is giving for the in 1 year for the 840% returns. That stock share price is in 1 year before 46 rupees. You are just 46 rupees into for purchasing for the 1000 shares. It becomes investment amount for the 46,000 rupees. 46,000 rupees into today is becomes for the that investment amount for the 4,76,000 rupees, because that share price today is now for the 476 rupees. 476 rupees you are just invested in the 46,000 rupees to for purchasing for the 1000 shares. It becomes for the multiply for the 1000 shares into 476 rupees. It becomes for the 4,76,000 rupees. 4,76,000 rupees for the in 1 year returns. You are just invested in the 46,000 rupees to just you 46,000 rupees for the 10 times is doubling for the your amount. 46,000 rupees is 10 times doubling for the 1 year returns. Just in you invested in bank, in the fixed deposit in bank, there is given for the 1 year for just 7% interest to just 7% interest, but here is 840% is giving returns is giving. You just invested in the 46,000 rupees becomes 4,76,000 rupees. 4 lakh, it means more than 10 times returns is giving in 1 year. Just 1 year for 4,70,000 to hold in the stocks in long time. In long time it becomes for 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs it becomes. So to make more money, you have to one way is income is not enough not to lead for good life to or startup life and financial freedom of life to lead. If is one way of income, our job is not enough to lead for good life or financial freedom of life. So invest in your money, savings of amount to your savings of amount is invest in the share market and find good stocks, research good stocks and invest in the amount and create your passive income and get another way of income, create your another way of income, because it's one way of income is not to lead for the good life, startup life. So that's great from passive income in the share market and find good stocks, research and get knowledge and learn share market and invest in the share market, and you also get bulk of returns in the share market. Just 1 year for to holding for the 5 years, 10 years, it becomes for the bulk of which we also get financial freedom of life to invest in the share market and learn and sometimes loss also happens because you are not proper analyzing that stock is when it's happening for the losses also happening. So you want to analyze for good because that stock is in that stock business is in future is very demand or not in public, and that stock is demand or not, and that stock how is going performing in public during last 1 year, how is performing the stocks. You want to analyze for everything, and then you want to invest in the amount and to get money and create passive income. In front of videos are coming for the more return stocks videos are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel, and thank you for watching this video.